joy to share. The green pine trees shining so bright, we sing and smile, hearts full of light.
Christmas everywhere, spreading love and cheer. From the mountains high to the oceans nearer, different songs we sing, yet hearts the same. Love and joy, that's Christmas name.
Santa Claus is coming, dressed in red so fine, riding reindeer flying through the sky. His big red bag full of love and care, gives to children gifts to share.
Christmas everywhere, bells are ringing clear. In Asia children laugh, voices full of cheer. Europe snowy nights under stars so bright, Africa is singing pure delight. Australia shining with sunshine so gold, Europe's warm and bright by the fire's glow. Asia celebrates, fireworks in bloom. The world rejoices, love fills every room. Christmas everywhere, peace and joy we sing. From the north and south, love is blossoming. Different colors, yet hearts the same. Merry Christmas across the land.
Santa laugh with joy. Santa laugh with joy, flying far and wide. Hearts open warm, love we cannot hide. Children sing aloud, hand in hand we say, Merry Christmas,
Happiness today.
If you liked today's lesson, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.